police now have in their custody 3 suspects in the killing of renowned marine biologist Kent Carpenter, who was shot inside his home in Sibulan, Negros Oriental last Sunday. They're now facing charges of robbery with homicide. On the line from Camp Crame is Laid Cabagani. Laid, what's the latest?
Yes, the PNP said the suspects identified only by aliases MO, JF, and CD were arrested Wednesday night. Police said the suspects allegedly broke into Carpenter's home where he was shot dead with his Filipino live-in partner. Authorities said the woman also reported that she was sexually assaulted during the incident while personal belongings were taken. Investigators believe the motive was robbery. PNP PAO Chief Police Colonel Alan Reyco said one of the suspects had previously been hired to do repair work at the victim's house, allowing him to observe the property before the attack. Authorities added that there is no evidence so far that the group was hired by anyone else to carry out the crime. The PNP earlier identified victims' live-in partner and her sibling have been identified as persons of interest. However, stressed that this does not make them suspects, but said they may have information that could help the investigation.
Those people who can possibly shed light on the circumstances behind an event or in this case yung crime, they could possibly be upgraded into a suspect or depending on the result of the investigation, kung may naibigay silang nakatulong ay sila magiging witness po natin. So, persons of interest na, not necessarily suspects. So, they have identified the Negros Oriental Police Provincial Officer, identified 2, one of whom is the living partner and the sibling of the living partner. So, the investigation is still ongoing, and I was told by the Regional Director of PRO-NIR na progressing nicely po yung investigation nila. So we will have something by a few days time siguro.
A fourth suspect known by alias Eden remains at large. Police continue their manhunt against this person. That's the latest here from Camp Crame.
Thank you, Laid Cabagani reporting.